class. Guys, girls, my students, Shatav, Maraban, Sabalkar, Zakiya, Jianu, Namaskar. Dear students, today we are going to review the change of voice. Change of voice has a great importance in speaking. Today we will go through the past tense in change of voice. We will see short phrases that are daily used in communication. Let's start today's lesson. अजीज़ तुल्बा, आज हम वॉइस की बात करते हैं। जायरात गुफ्तगू और बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू ये दो अहम जुटी हुई आपस में बातें हैं और इनके जुमलों के बनाने का तरीक़ाकार, इनको मिलाने का और इन्हें प्रॉपर लहजे के साथ बोलने की आज हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। Let's start today's lesson of voice, change of voice. You see my students, the first one is active voice. A thief broke into the shop. A thief broke into the shop. A thief broke into the shop. एक thief दुकान के अंदर घुस गया. A thief broke into the shop. A thief broke into the shop. एक चोर दुकान के अंदर घुस गया. Broke into is a past tense, is a phrasal verb. A thief broke into the shop. एक चोर शॉप के अंदर घुस गया, दुकान के अंदर घुस गया. Let's see it again. आइए इसकी तब्दीली को देखते हैं. See students, the first step. A thief is a subject and the shop is an object in active statement. When we make a change in passive, we replace each other, subject and object. So the shop was broken into by a thief. The shop was broken into by a thief. The shop will stand as a subject, and according to rules, we will add was or were. If the file is singular, we add was. अगर फाइल एक होगा तो हम was लिखेंगे यहाँ पे और उसके बाद verb की third form. A shop was broken into by a thief. By is a connecting preposition, and a thief will come up here as an object. Because according to the rules, when we change passive, subject and object replace each other. So a thief, a shop was broken into by a thief. A shop was broken into by a thief. A shop was broken into by a thief. एक दुकान चोर से, एक दुकान के अंदर चोर घुस गया. एक दुकान के अंदर चोर घुस गया. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next one is Tim wrote a new book. Tim wrote a new boat. Tim wrote a new boat. This is an active statement. Tim is a subject. Tim wrote a new boat. Wrote is a second verb form. A new boat is an object. Tim wrote a new boat. Tim ने एक नई कश्ती में कश्ती रानी की. Tim ने एक नई कश्ती में कश्ती रानी की. Tim ने एक नई कश्ती को बहाया. Tim ने एक नई कश्ती में कश्ती रानी की. Tim wrote a new boat. Tim ने एक नई कश्ती में कश्ती रानी की. This is an active voice statement. Let's see how it's going to change first. आइए ये बराह गुफ्तगू का जुमला है. Tim wrote a new boat. ये इसकी चेंज कैसे होगी बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू में? Here see my students, passive voice statement here. A new boat was wrote by Tim. A new boat was wrote by Tim. A new boat was wrote by Tim. एक नई कश्ती Tim से चलाई गई. एक नई कश्ती में Tim से कश्ती रानी की गई. You see again, the Tim and a new boat replace each other. Subject and object replace each other according to the rules of change of voice. So a new boat was wrote by Tim. Was is a helping verb. It is added in passive statements in past tense after the subject. If subject is plural, we will add was. So here we add was. A new boat was rowed by Tim. A new boat was rowed by Tim. एक नई कश्ती में Tim से कश्ती रानी की गई. Let's see the next statement. Nida moved a petition. Nida moved a petition. Nida moved a petition. Nida ने एक दरख्वास्त दायर की. Nida ने एक दरख्वास्त दायर की. Nida moved a petition. Nida is a subject. Moved is a past tense, past verb form. A petition is an object. According to the rules, when we change to passive, the subject Nida and a petition will replace each other. You see here, my students. In passive, a petition stands here as a subject and was is added as a helping verb because a petition is a singular subject and moved is a third verb form and by is a connecting preposition and Nida here stands as an object. So a petition was moved by Nida. A petition was moved by Nida. A petition was moved by Nida. एक दरखास्त निदा से दायर की गई. एक दरखास्त निदा से दायर की गई. So see my students, these are the changes of past tense, change of voice. I hope you will make a good practice with this. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.